Today, we attempt the impossible. There's no such thing as a gold to silver hypershift. Believe me, we've looked. We've asked for it. There's nothing even close. But we're going to attempt to create a gold to silver shift. How in the world are we going to do that? I'll tell you. Right here is the M3 with an aluminum base on it. Aluminum being a silvery metallic base. And right here, I have ZGL hypershift, an interference hypershift that is predominantly gold. So we're going to try to put a hefty load of ZGL hypershift over the aluminum base. Is this going to work?
I sure hope so.
Probably not, but we're going to do it. As far as pigment load, there's already a bit of a discrepancy because Gabe thinks this is too much pigment. This right here is actually, I will try not to spill it, this is about 40 grams of ZGL. We're going for about 20 grams per gallon, and it is a very fluffy pearl. So Gabe's already pretty worried. But, you know, you got to run with it, right? So I'm going to mix this up. I will tell you, there is some green in ZGL. So there may be a green accent, but we know that the dominant color, the primary, is gold. The hope here is that when the ZGL is not activated by the light, you're going to see a metallic silver underneath. And when it is activated, you're going to get a metallic gold. See, the concept is here. Whether or not it actually works out,
yeah, we don't know.
let me show you ZGL over a black base. The stick of truth will show you. Okay, so watch. You see how we got that gold? And then you're going to get some green, right? Okay, that's fine. But you're getting that gold. Thoughts? Predictions? Do we end up with a silver to gold shift?
Should be pretty close, I think.
Well, we're going to go.
We're going to try.
Are you ready?
As ready as anyone could ever be.
We're ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And first, I wanted to share with you some homework, some testing that we did before we went full scale here. I knew you'd likely have some questions about why we chose what we chose, so hopefully I have some answers for you right off the bat. And I know you might be thinking, well, if you're going for a silver to gold shift, why did you choose aluminum as your base and not a more metallic silver like carbon silver? Well, we tried multiple gold pearls over a carbon silver base, and we found that the carbon silver was just so metallic, it would just eat up any of the gold shifts and gold pearls that we put on top of it. So aluminum was really our best shot. And then you may ask, well, why use a primarily gold hypershift and risk other colors getting into the mix, not just a gold interference pearl? Well, we tested multiple gold interference pearls at different sizes over the aluminum base, and we found that you could get a mild gold effect, but not that saturated gold punch that we were really looking for, where we can actually claim that we made a silver to gold shift. So with aluminum and ZGL on top. That was our best shot. Did we pull it off? We're gonna bring the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know how you think we did. If you wanna dip your own emblems, your own wheels, your whole car, you know what to do. All of our DIY kits are in one place for you right here. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this project. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.